From today I'll be teaching Phaser. Phaser is an open source HTML5 game framework created by Photon Storm. It's designed to create games that will run on desktop as well as mobile web browsers, and a lot of focus is given for the performance inside of a mobile browser. And by the way, it's built out of Pixie.js. Stay subscribed, we will be doing more videos. I have a node server here. I have already done how to install node and create the server, so I'll leave that part and show you directly the Phaser. So go to this link I'm showing you on the screen and download this JS file. For production, make sure you link phaser.min.js. I already have this inside JavaScripts / library / phaser.js. Since it's development phase, I am using unminified version of Phaser library. By the way, I'll show you easy way of doing it, but in the next video I'll show how to do the same in a modular way. So create a new game, that is using phaser.game. First two parameters are game's area, that is the stage width as well as height, 800 pixels width and 900 pixels height. If we don't mention the container in which we want the game to render, it will take the whole body as its arena to display the game that you write in Phaser. So I'll start the server, that is node server. We already have the library and we created a new game, that is a Phaser game. We'll navigate to our local host and we have port 300 open using our node server. So this is it, a blank black screen. Let me make this 400 for it will help for displaying on the screen. Okay, I'll show you the source code now. It will render as it is. Now I'll go to inspect and console. So it will show the version of Phaser I am using and the Pixie.js it uses and the WebGL and WebAudioKit it uses of our Chrome browser. By the way, it gives preference to WebGL first. If it's not there, it falls back to canvas. We can leave it to Phaser to decide which one to use by making use of phaser.auto. Okay, if you want the entire document to be considered as our game arena, we should just leave that game container div and straightforward start with the game coding. In this, the fifth parameter is our game object, which has these are the standard methods, that is preload, create and update. We must have at least any one of these for Phaser to execute successfully, that is preload, create and update. We are defining the methods here. I have a logo image here. In preload, we need to load the assets. Load the image, give it a name, that is logo, and then its path. That's it. Now I'm creating the create method. Here I'll add the previously loaded image, that is logo, which is present in the catch, by the way. It's called a sprite, so I'll add that sprite onto our game stage at 10 pixels x-axis and 20 pixels y-axis. I'll just remove this update method for now. Let's let me show it in some other video. Okay, that's placed at 10 pixels x-axis and 20 pixels y-axis. I'll change it to 100 and show you the changes. We can set things like game.stage.background color and give it a hexa code. I'll give it white, that is FFF, and refresh it. So this is very simple. Remember, I'm showing a way. This is not a modular way of writing the code. I'm just showing it because it's the easy way, and you must not feel terrible about while adopting to the new framework. If you want the entire width to be covered, give window.innerWidth and window.innerHeight and refresh. It will take the entire width and height of the device you are rendering the game. So this is it. In the next video, I'll show the same code in a much more modular and sane way of doing things. Stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. And please don't forget to like this video on YouTube. Thank you.